Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi to everybody. No? Okay. Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. This shy little boy is Gabe. He is here to help me today. Hey, did you just move Mommy's tripod? That's not nice. Today we are going to share with you how to make another vegetarian gołombki, and gołombki is just stuffed cabbage. This one is going to be a mushroom and onion concoction, and it's really easy. It's delicious. Don't touch. That's Mommy's. There's Mommy's. They're delicious. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love them. My mom serves it with a mushroom sauce, which you can make or you don't have to make. You can do it with cream of mushroom soup. Really good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. What are you doing? Do you see the faces he's making? He's so silly. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. As always, if you like it, give us a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, do that right now. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. All right, guys, enjoy.
The clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when